Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your device supports floating windows and that necessary overlay permissions are granted. Once done, open the app you'll use as the container and enable its floating or windowed mode from Settings or the Quick menu. Make sure to allow overlays and background activity so the window stays visible. You'll see a movable frame or handle appear. Drag it to a convenient spot. This first action creates the workspace you'll use to add other apps into the floating window. Next, tap the floating frame's menu or ellipsis to reveal options like Add App or Split Screen. You'll be shown recent apps and your full app list. Pick the app you want and either tap to insert or drag and drop it into the floating frame. Make sure to adjust the app's window size and input focus so touch and keyboard work correctly. If available, set transparency and interaction mode so the floating app doesn't block critical content underneath. Keep experimenting until placement and controls feel natural. To finish, save or lock the floating layout so accidental moves don't disrupt your setup. Then test interactions between the apps, checking clipboard, audio, and input. When you need to remove an app, use the frame menu's close or detach command, or open the floating manager to clear entries. If a floating app becomes unresponsive, make sure overlay permission is still enabled, force stop and reopen the host app, or reboot the device. These steps usually restore proper behavior without losing your.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.